Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you to one of the Srinagar's most magical spot, Pari Mahal, also called the Palace of Fairies. As we climb up the Zabarwan hills overlooking the beautiful Dal Lake, you will feel like you're leaving the busy city behind and stepping into history. Pari Mahal was built in 1600s by Prince Dara Shikoh, the elder son of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. And yes, the same Dara Shikoh who loved poetry, spirituality, and Sufi philosophy. The name Pari Mahal comes from the belief that fairies used to visit the place at night, and honestly, standing here as the sun is going down, I kind of believe it too. This isn't just one big place, it's actually seven terrace level built to match the nature slope of the hill. Each level has its own garden, water channels and arcs. The architecture is a beautiful mix of Mughal and Parisian style with stone walls that has been over 400 years of sunrise over the Dal Lake. Dara Shikoh used this place as a library and center for learning astrology and Sufi teachings. Imagine sitting here 400 years ago with book, the sound of water, and the entire valley below you. No distraction, just peace. That's the vibe Pari Mahal still gives you. So from the top terrace, the view is insane. You can see all the Srinagar city, the shimmering Dal Lake, and the mountains all around. During the day, it's bright and golden, but in the evening, the lights of the city reflects on the water, and the whole place turns golden pink. It gets cold up here, but it's that kind of cold that makes the view feel even more beautiful. Locals say that at night the place glows under the moon, and that's why people call it the place of fairies. No fairies spotted yet today, but the calm, the breeze, and the old stone walls definitely makes it feel magical. Right now, the garden is maintained by tourist department, and it's a favorite spot for photo shoot, students, and anyone who wants a minute of peace away from the city's noise. If you ever come to Srinagar, put Pari Mahal on your list. Come in the late afternoons, stay till sunset and just sit. Don't rush. Let the place tell you its story. One thing that really stays with you at Pari Mahal is the silence. Even with tourists around, there's the calm that just hits different. You can hear the wind moving through the old arcs, and if you close your eyes for a second, you can almost picture Dara Shikoh sitting here with his books, looking out at the same Dal Lake we see today. The stone walls are warm from the sun in the afternoon, but in the evening, the air turns chilly and the whole place feels like it's glowing. People come here for photos, for peace, for history, but I think most of us leave with just one feeling, that Kashmir isn't only about beautiful place; it's about place that makes you feel something, and Pari Mahal, it definitely does that. And honestly, that's what makes Parimal so special. It's not loud, it's not crowded, it just lets you breathe. You sit here, the cold wind touches your face, and below your Dal Lake is turning into a mirror of lights. For a few minutes, you forgot your phone, your worries, everything. You just feel grateful to be here. Places like this reminds you why we travel, not just to see new things, but feel new things. And Parimal gave that feeling today. So that's it for today's vlog from the place of fairies, Srinagar. You never fail to amaze me. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories from Kashmir. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog with a different look. And until then, bye bye, take care.